couple years ago na merong binibentang marijuana sa Shopee. Kung hindi ko pa kinulang attention ninyo, hindi pa sana napatake down yun. Tapos ngayon, yung kay Madam Chair na napakitang tsokolate, pero anong laman nun? Oh, di ba meron kay Intel Funds o PDEA? So dapat nahuli nyo yon. At kayo na mismo ang tumawag sa Shopee na, oy, illegal drugs yan. I-take down nyo yan. But you didn't do. You waited. Hanggat nakita namin at nakita ni Madam Chair. So dapat trabaho nyo kayo sa PNP at sa PDEA. Tama ba ako? Tama.
Colonel and then
Tama,
Ms.
sir.
Mandap. Yes, sir.
Yes, just affirming the statement of Senator Tulfo, sir, na tama yung sinabi.
And then Ms. Mandap, on the part of PIDEA.
On the part of PIDEA, PIDEA's role is supportive and complementary, particularly involving controlled substances. Na-mention niyo po kanina yung amphetamine. As of now, as far as counterfeit drugs is concerned, if that because there's no registered amphetamine drug with FDA, so automatic po it's we consider that counterfeit drug. If we PIDEA may support FDA through technical assistance. Example, if a drug was found, we can identify if it contains a controlled substance. And we can also support FDA through conduct of joint operations and referral protocols. And when
Ma'am, sorry,
yes.
napapahaba po kayo. Maiksi lang yung sinabi ko. Nagbebenta sa Shopee ng marijuana, straw vape, tapos meron pa yung chocolate na mushroom, pero yun ay marijuana din. Dapat napa-plug down niya yun. Nakikita niyo dapat yun dahil meron naman kay Intel Funds, di ba? Eh bakit kami pa sa media, kami pa sa Senate ang nakakita noon? Wala naman kaming Intel Funds. Kayo
Yes, sir.
meron.
Our operations are doing their job, sir. They are
Then if you're
actually-
doing your job, dapat na-plug down yun. Dapat nakita niyo. Teka muna, may binibentang marijuana pala rito sa Shopee. Teka muna, may binibenta palang, nalusutan kayo, may binibenta palang mushroom na marijuana din. Ang cover up, sasabihin chocolate, black chocolate. Dapat nalaman niyo yun. At
Yes,
kayo na mismo ang pumunta sa, gumawa kayo ng, ang tawag nito, ulihin nyo. Diba? Entrapment operations. Gumawa kayo ng entrapment operations.
Yes, sir. We have actually coordinated with DTI e-commerce weeks back, sir.
But you haven't done it yet, ma'am. Right? Tulad nito chocolate, matagal na yan. O yung pinakita ni Sen. Riza, ni Madam Chair. Tulad yung nakita ko yung marijuana sa vape, ang tagal na noon. Kung hindi pa namin nakita, hindi dapat hindi matitake down yun. Yun po yung sinasabi ko, dapat maging active din kayo sa PNP at PDEA. Tingnan nyo sa social media. Diyan mabilis nagbebenta ng mga illegal drugs eh. Pangit naman kung nalulusutan kayo. Ano po?
Could we also hear from the NBI, Attorney Balba, yung tingin nyo sa current problem and then kung yung bill namin ay makatutugon dito and any reservations or recommendations you have about the bill?
Good morning, Madam Chair. Good morning po, Senator Erwin Tulfo. Good morning po, Senator Raffy Tulfo. On the part of the NBI, ma'am, we remain committed po sa fight natin against counterfeit drugs, and we fully support the committee's aim to strengthen the regulatory processes of the country, especially po yung pag-push niyo po dun sa pag-declare sa offense po ng counterfeiting ng pharmaceutical para maging economic sabotage. Tingin ko po, personally, it will help us deter na maging malaki yung penalty para matakot po kahit paano yung mga gumagawa po nito.
Hindi, pero ang sinasabi ko po, Attorney Balba, yung bang vigilant kayo, nag-check din kayo sa TikTok, sa Shopee, sa Facebook, na baka may nagbebenta rin dyan ng illegal drugs. At meron nga, kami ang nakita noon, kayo sa NBI, kayo sa PDEA, sa PNP, may mga Intel Funds kayo. Dapat nakikita nyo na agad yun. And then, kapag nakita nyo, nagbebenta illegal drugs to, gawa kayo ng entrapment operations. Kunyari, bibili kayo. And then hanggang sa matukoy nyo kung sino yung source noon, hulihin nyo, kasuhan nyo. Yun yung point ko rito. O tulad yan, pinakabago, chocolate, yung pala, marijuana pala. Nalusutan na naman kayo, tatlo kayo, NBI, PDEA, PNP. Anong ginagawa yung tatlo? Samantalang si Senrisa, wala naman siyang Intel funds. Wala siyang confidential funds. And yet, yung mga tao niya, magagaling. Nahuli yun. Kayo, may budget kayo, hindi niyo nahuli. Yun ang trabaho niyo. Yun lang po, nakapagtaka lang.
Salamat, Sen. Rafi. Additionally, Attorney Balba, yung much earlier passed na Quality Affordable Medicines Law ay ini-encourage at pinapayagan yung pag-import ng mga certified na, FDA approved na mga generic medicines. Basta po, sir, FDA approved, tama po ba na yung generic medicines ay hindi i-consider na counterfeit pharmaceutical products? Tama po ba?
I don't think, ma'am, I am not in the position to...
Nakita ko po kasi sa inyo yung Intellectual Property Rights Division.
Yes, ma'am. I am the executive officer of the Intellectual Property Rights Division, ma'am. But I am not in any way authorized
Alright.
to say if a generic medicine is considered as counterfeit, ma'am.
Okay. All right, Attorney Balba. On my part, one last question to Attorney Teston on this first agenda, bago one last question sa mga social media and selling platforms. And then subukan na nating dumako dun sa pangalawang agenda natin, although there are overlaps between the two. Attorney Teston, same question. Kapag po FDA approved ng mga generic medicines as mandated under the Quality Affordable Medicines Law, hindi po i-consider na counterfeit pharmaceutical products ang generic medicines. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Madam Chairperson. The mere fact na wala off-patent na po kadalasan ng generics medicine. Kung pumasa na po siya sa pagsusuri ng Food and Drug Administration, hindi po siya dapat ma-classify as counterfeit product. By the way, Madam Chairperson, may definition po ang counterfeit product. Hindi lang po siya tungkol sa intellectual property. Minsan kapag kulang po siya ng active pharmaceutical ingredient 80% below, naka-classify po siya, nasasama po siya doon sa counterfeit or falsified substandard pharmaceutical product. So ulitin ko po, hindi po mo generics po, counterfeit po siya. Pero pag tinest po ng FDA yan at bambaba po yung API niya, ibig sabihin po may malaki po posibilidad na hindi siya maging epektibo. Maaari din po siya maklasify na ang tawag po sa WHO FNS, falsified and substandard pharmaceutical product po.
Alright. Salamat. So kung aabot lang sa 79% yung API, you may consider it a falsified and substandard product. Alright. I think Sen.
Yeah,
Rafi
thank
would
you.
like to interject.
Doon na lang po muna sa Shopee at saka sa Lazada. So, nung tumawag po kami sa inyo, thank you po 189 sa Shopee na take down because of our calls na ginawa ng mga staff. And then sa Lazada, 630. Now, ang tanong ko, yung FDA ba gumawa ng ganong hakbang na tumawag sa inyo para sabihin na, hey, ito yung mga unregistered products sa amin, paki-take down. Did they do that? Before na tumawag kami, merong mga calls or letters man lang coming from them? Shopee muna.
Mr. Fulion and then Mr. Estilian for Lazada.
Thank you, sir. Also, thank you for helping enhance our own enforcement efforts on Shopee. We're very grateful. From our end, we've had dialogues with the FDA and DTI.
No, ang tanong ko kung tumawag ba sila para sabihin, hey, Shopee, meron kaming advisory dito, warning na unregistered yan, huwag tangkilikin, pwede ba paki-take down? Did anybody from FDA do that? Yes or no lang po?
The extent lang po for discussion was an agreement to collaborate together moving
No,
forward.
but mayroon bang tumawag? Yes or no lang po? Wala. Okay, good. Lazada, meron? Wala.
We received letters po.
Letters.
Takedown letters po.
And then what did you do with those letters?
We processed it po. I'm just not sure in terms of the number that we received, Senator.
Okay, kasi ang nangyari, Madam Chair, yung sa akin, nalaman ko na sumulat ang FDA and then after 2 months, 3 months, wala pa rin action yung Shopee. Siguro baka na natabunan, whatever. Hindi dapat ganon. Hindi dapat yung sulat. Dapat tawag. Kasi kami, mapilit Pag tawag namin ngayon, after 2 days, tawagan ulit. The third day, oy, ba't wala pa rin, hindi pa rin take down niya? Kasi we're talking about the health of the consumers. So, dapat tuloy-tuloy yung pagtawag. So, sila sulat lang, di ba? And then kayo,
Yes po.
inuupuan nyo. Siyempre, marami kayong backlog, di ba? Kaya inabot ng buwan. Kayo po, sa Lazada?
Lazada, Mr. Estilier.
Sorry, what was the question po?
Di ba sabi mo, there were instances that FDA wrote you a letter and telling you na to take down some
Yes, Senator.
medicines na unregistered that nasa ano nila, warnings. What did you do with that?
Our team po processed po, and to my knowledge, alam ko po they took it down. I just don't know the number of items from the FDA po and the number of letters. But we did receive several po.
Yeah, you did say letters pero wala yung tawag. Iba kasi yung
Wala
letters,
pong
iba tawag.
tawag. No tawag po.
Kasi dapat FDA mas mabilis yung tawag. Kasi kalusugan ng taong pinag-usapan dito eh. A phone call is much better than a letter. Kasi yung letter, dahil pang dadaanan, dahil pang pipirman, dahil stapler, ilang desk ang dadaanan. Whereas if you call directly doon sa concerned unit na mag-take down, mati-take down agad yun. Look at us, in 1 week na-take down ko na hindi nyo kaya i-take down since 2013. Now, isa pa, ano po, ang concern ko rito, Lazada and Shopee, i-take down nyo na po ito mga prescription medicines ng ngayon naka-advertise sa inyo. Please, tingnan nyo lahat ng mga medicines na naka-advertise dun sa Shopee, Lazada na walang prescription. Dapat OTW lang ang pwede payagan. Pero pag prescription, wag. Marami kayo eh. So, can you do that, Motopropio? Gawin nyo na?
Mr. Estilier.
We will notify po the team and we will do the review and we will follow the advice of the good senator po.
Can you give us a timetable for that before, with the indulgence of Sen. Rafi, Senator Erwin would like to interject. Can you do that? Can you give us a timetable within which magbigay kayo ng feedback sa komite if this will actually be done, Mr. Estilier?
Noted po, Senator. Is it possible to do it by early next week po? Because we also want to do the review as well.
Yes, please. So by Monday next week, we can expect a
Okay.
report
Noted
from
po.
Lazada. Okay, thank you. And from Shopee?
Align, ma'am. We will work with our teams on this and then aim to get back to you similarly next week.
Early next week?
After the hearing, I think, get a contact from your staff directly so we can talk directly so that you can receive timely updates from Shopee side kaagad.
Okay, ComSec, please do that. With the indulgence of Sen. Rafi, Sen. Erwin would like to interject.
Yes, Madam Chair. Dito po sa PNP natin, sa NBI at PIDEA.
Sorry, Sen. Erwin, bago lang po natin iwan yung mga platforms. One follow-up question dun
Go
sa
ahead,
line of
Madam
questioning so far. Ano po ba yung kailangan para ma-monitor nyo lahat ng concerns na ito near real time? Yung tipong ma-flag nyo na just once keywords pop up dun sa bawat product. Yes, Mr. Fulion.
Thank you,
Shopee.
ma'am. From Shopee side, just would like to note that Shopee already has its ongoing efforts to take down listings. We have dedicated teams to check the platform and to check the platform on a regular basis. To answer your question, ma'am, what helps us and enhances our efforts, as with any security system out there, is if we can get guidance on latest developments or keywords and brands that are prohibited so that we can feed it into our system so that our system is enhanced to also include those particular products, because I understand over time there are new products on the market that are prohibited. So we also rely on the assistance of government agencies and the Honorable Committee, ma'am, to help enhance our efforts, as was done by with our partnership with Senator Rafi's office.
So keywords from FDA, for example.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What about for the other platforms before we go back to Senator Erwin?
Ma'am, for
Yes,
Facebook's part po, no, very efficient po yung government reporting channel na mayroon kami. So, any report na ipasok po nila doon, 24 hours sumasagot po kasi global system yung gumagana. So, just enroll or just submit from the government platform where FDA po is registered.
So Facebook already has everything you need para to monitor near real time and to take down once keywords pop up.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, Madam Chair, as soon as it is reported po. And
Okay.
timely po yung pagsagot dun sa mga nireport ng FDA since from last year as I'm looking at the data po.
Okay, salamat.
Madam Chair, mabilis
Before we continue, before I recognize Sen. Rafi with the indulgence of Senator Erwin, quickly lang from Lazada and then from TikTok Shop. Anong kailangan nyo?
For Lazada po, we share the sentiments of both the representatives from Meta and Shopee po. For us po, it's similar. So we need keywords po. List of products with image. The reason why we're asking for image is part of yung process po namin is we have machine learning and image detection. So any images that we can use to sort of teach the AI to be smarter, to be able to detect this faster will be very useful po for us. And another thing po that we also need is an explicit order or letter, more for formality, just so that we can communicate this to the sellers so that they can understand po. Yun lang po for Lazada po. Thank you.
And last but not the least, Attorney Gonzales.
Madam Chair, on
TikTok Shop.
TikTok Shop, in addition to what our colleagues already mentioned, perhaps po yung timely updating of the FDA's verification portal para po mas real-time po yung pag-verify namin ng mga certificates from the FDA's website.
All right, salamat. With the indulgence of Sen Erwin, Sen Rafi would like to interject here. Yes,
Mabilis
Sen
lang,
Rafi.
Sen Erwin. Okay. I would like to commend TikTok kasi as opposed to dito sa Facebook. Mas mabilis ang TikTok, Madam Chair, kasi there was some instances na minagpakalat ng mga fake news about May, December, this last year. Pagtawag namin sa TikTok, agad-agad, nada-down in a matter of days, 1 day, 2 days. Sa Facebook, inaabot ng linggo, buwan. Mas mabilis ang TikTok kaysa sa Facebook. So dapat Facebook, bilis-bilisan nyo. Di ba? Yun lang po, Madam Chair. Thank you, Sen.
Salamat, Sen Rafi. Sen Erwin.
Yes, Madam Chair. I was just wondering,